Hi guys! So today we're here in training and we are training for the homecoming this Sunday. And actually tomorrow na siya at Moa Arena, and we're so excited kasi it's a fan meet and we're gonna enjoy and we're gonna see our blooms, our Filipino blooms again, to show our best, perform and all of that.
Now do my dance, now do my dance. You got the cherry on top. Do your dance, do your dance. Watch me.
We are back. Actually, it's our first time to perform here for our own show here in Moa Arena. So it's gonna be a new experience for us. And I'm just so excited dahil alam mo yun, this is a homecoming. This is an event for our dedicated only for after 2 months, almost 2 months of being away from them. Finally, magkaka-show na ulit.
Then touch your feet. Oh my gosh. Like
It's our home ground, so I'm so excited. And kakaiba yung stage, like sobrang intimate niya, sobrang baba, and sobrang daming manunod. Yeah, so excited! See you blue!
Makagaya ka, basta pagsin mo lang ay susundan na. But I bet you can dance like this. Oh my gosh, who goes out first? She rock and snap the lean. I'll bet you. Watch me.
Jet lag.
Medyo,
Ang secret dyan eh. Alam mo kung ano? Araw lang. Kung kaya nyo lang, like if you have breaks, exposed na kayo sa araw. Daling ko yung araw sa bahay niyo. Ako ko mag-adjust.
I'm just so proud of the girls. Just so happy with the success that they're having right now, and just happy to see the girls back in the Philippines. They dominated the world, they dominated our hearts, and I'm excited for what's next.
everyone, we are here at Moa Arena, and time check, it is 11:09. Practice na namin for later, and yes, this is the first time that people are gonna see us after our concert. in North America. We did rehearsals and then trinay namin yung minibus. It's so cute. And we also did co-op para matry namin. Kasi we're gonna, parang sa Philippine Arena, we're gonna go sa mga audience. And yeah, we're gonna go close to them para ma-feel nila yung fan meet interaction kind of. Yeah.
Hi guys! You know what? I'm so happy kasi sa World Tour kami lang ng makeup and ngayon, boom! Marami ng team ulit! They're back and I'm so happy. Pagod na rin ako sa makeup guys. Kasi madami nga kami so we always try to help each other. Ganon. We have our makeup artist but then you know we need to help each other. It feels good to be back.
Kung may 8 tayong shinortlist mula sa mahabang listahan ng mga tanong ng Bloom sa ito. Ano pala? Pwede kayo. Yung 5 seconds wala, i-leave kayo sa iba.
So you can see our outfits are quite different. Iba-iba kami. Yung kay Joanna, very, habibi kasi yung representation niya is yung Dubai na world tour namin. Ako naman is Vegas, di ba? Super fun, super performance level, ganon. Yung mga extravaganza, yung mga OA talaga. So much fun and I'm so excited to meet the Blooms again. Ayun.
Guide us, Lord. Maraming salamat dito dahil nakapag-rest po kami ng 2 days, Lord.
Amen.
Yung Pilipinas na ito, hindi niya mag-stage. Hindi ka makakanta. Ano sabi ba? Gumawa ka na siya.
At salamat sa inyo, Bloom, sa lahat po ng dumilang sumuporta na kasi sa inyo pupunta po sa ABS-CBN Foundation. So, yung mga matutulungan po tayo ng tao.
Maraming salamat talaga. Foundation Bloom na dito.
Lahat ng to sa atin nagpapalit.
From the Mills Schools, Bad Education and Art Studies, and from Philippine National Association of Sign Language.
First time namin ulit ito perform yung 8.
masaya kasi perform namin ulit siya. Tinutokso kasi ako ng moves kapag pina-perform yun.
Let's go. I'll be the queen and you'll be the knight. But don't you think I'll cast a spell and tick tock, the clock is talking. Don't
Booth natin ay Betty Abiti!
be real, be true, be calm, be bluff, yes, overthink, don't sound the edge. Treat me like the one, show me all the good crowds. Need a rose over story to tell. Might be known as Benny the Bell. No, my heart ain't trusted. Been a while since you just walked in. Excuse me. Don't think too much. Don't think too much. It's just a simple
Maraming salamat po sa support na ibigay niyo. Ladies and gentlemen, tapos natin ang kapamilya executives.
And I hope ito ang pamahal na to is panghawakan natin ng video. I love you!
Grabe yung pictorial. Super dami namin blooms! Pinaka na-feel ko na performance yung Shaggy Lee. Maliban sa natuwa ako sa ang daming sumasayaw with us. Wala, feel ko na yung Shaggy Lee kasi first time naman siya i-perform here. Tapos ang sarap sayawin yung Shaggy Lee. So, marami pang abangan yung blooms, the makeup, the songs, performances, albums. Ang dami pa. So, just stay with us and you'll be uplifted.
know which way to go.
Ang dami nangyari. And also, nandito kami the family, which is so nice kasi today it feels very inclusive. Not just the family, not just people from here in the Philippines, but actually foreigners na galing pa sa London, Dubai, and other countries pumunta dito. Grabe talaga ma-feel mo yung effort nila. Thank you so much.
Good crowds, need a rose over story.
On behalf of the SM Mall of Asia Arena team, we extend our heartfelt gratitude. It is an honor to welcome home our very own modern Filipinas who continue to make a never-ceasing mark on the global stage. Here's to more milestones, more music, and continued success. We look forward to welcoming you back and celebrating even greater achievements together.
Ang dami ko mga na-reminisce na moments and memories ngayon and sa world tour namin. Siyempre, yung crowd, na-miss ko sa world tour. Lahat sila blooms, pero each state and each city, ibang-ibang energy yung binibigay nila sa amin. So, ang saya na i-look back talaga. And ako, upon seeing everyone cheering and singing along to our songs, nare-remind ako na, okay, so ito talaga yun. Ito talaga yung reason, ganun. Wala, masaya talaga ako. I'm just happy and in-enjoy ko lang talaga yung homecoming family.
Actually, sinet ko yung utak ko na it's a free event for our Blooms sa mga members natin. So, syempre, iba doon. Taga-malayo sila. So, hindi namin alam kung pupuno namin yung MOA Arena. Pero grabe, napuno natin yung MOA Arena, guys. Nanalo yung aming disco, guys! First prize! Yeah, they won the best fan booth. So, thank you so much po sa lahat ng bumoto. And congrats sa lahat ng fan booths po. Sobrang deserve nyo. Sa hindi kami nakapunta, sayang talaga. Pero sobrang thankful po kami sa inyo sa namin effort na binigay nyo po today. Alam namin na pinaghandaan nyo to days before today. So maraming salamat po. Super appreciated po lahat ng effort nyo. Sobrang thank you po. We love